Hello my fellow tech nerds and welcome back to the channel. This is my third video on the channel. I hope to keep the channel going and make more content for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hardwire any device in your house using your house's power network. Well, first things first, you're going to want three things in order for this to work. You're going to need this TP-Link AV600 Powerline Starter Kit. Well, I purchased the starter kit just because it's cheaper and works about as well as the other one. And your Ethernet cables to plug into the wall. So, first thing you're going to start off with is, well, opening it. I thought I'd record it for you guys so you can see exactly what's going on. Here it is. It's just a basic thing. Let's start with unwrapping it. Do cut. Plastic to the side. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's nice packaging, which means that. Oh well, and here they are. I'm a smart person. Anyways, okay. Put those right here. We have our... It also comes with Ethernet cables, but I'm using my own cables. So, here's the instruction manual. It's just a normal instruction manual. Shows how it works. Pretty nice. Okay, and well, that's it for the opening. It looks pretty nice, and let's get to actually making it work. So how this device works is it basically works as a receiver that you can connect through your house's electric network, whereas you can plug it into the wall and plug it into one upstairs, and they'll basically pair each other and send the Ethernet signal through the house's electric network. So how this device works is, first you're going to want to, well, plug in your Ethernet cable to this thing. You're all set with this. And once you have that plugged in, you're going to want to get the other side of your cable. And you're going to want to go to your router in your house. I have my router right here. So, just going to want to go to the back of your router and find one of the ports on the back which say Ethernet on them. These are Ethernet. I will plug it into the first one. And now it is good and should be hooked up. Next step is to plug it into the wall, which I'm going to do now. Well, after you've wired it up and dropped it on the floor 5 times, you're going to want to just simply plug it into the wall, and it will start to work. Now, with the second one, which I have over here, you need to press the button right here for 1 second, and basically it will be hooked up, and well, it sends a pairing signal that any other devices in the house that are plugged into the wall will sense. So I'm going to go upstairs and plug the other one in so we can get this ready. Just going to press the button. It is blinking like it's supposed to. So what I basically did was plug it into the wall and press the button. Now it's paired, and I am successfully getting Wi-Fi on my computer. Hello, I would like to thank you guys for watching. My tripod mount broke. I'm going to be ordering a new one. If you liked the video, like the video. If you like the content, share it with other people. If I'm doing a good job, please tell me in the comments. Please tell me how I can do better. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.